Turn up to this one, it's an S-Plan Plus system with 2 heating zones, 1 hot water zone, and the fault is no heating on one of the zones. So whip out the breakdown Bible, go down to S-Plan systems, no heating, fault finding flowchart, just to make things super simple. So is the programmer display on? There is a display on. Check heating set is cooling. Yeah, we've turned that up. Is the boiler displaying a fault code? No, it's not. It's just sat there idling, no demand. Go to the wiring centre. Bit of a mission to find the wiring centre here. Doesn't really look big enough for a 10-way, but we'll have a look inside. All looks neat enough. Still haven't found the zone valves yet. Is there 240 on brown? So one probe in earth, other one on brown. We've got 240 there. Is there 240 on orange? So earth to orange, 13 volts, that's not enough to fire the boiler. So we're going to be replacing the zone valve. Managed to find the zone valves boxed in at high level. Get that changed. Now let's test it again. We had 240 on brown before to prove the stat was okay. Now we're getting 240 on orange. Boiler's firing, heating's on, happy days.